media agrees that Christy Nunn, CNN's security analyst, defending the security detail for Christy Nunn.
Somebody's got a new bucket.
The DHS secretary who is addressing the press.
And he knows I'm watching him.
Period, and she's interrupted. She's interrupted by someone who is speaking very loudly.
He's very happy.
Detail confronts what we obviously now know to be the senator. And at that point,
something new to beat up on.
You can't interrupt something like that that's already in progress without having.
See, I got the 2 buckets to use the power washer I have that I use to clean his cage. He's fallen in love with at least one of the 2 buckets I got.
We're taking this person out against their will.
It's his thing. Buckets and golf balls. I'll explain the golf ball thing at some other point when I can catch him doing it. But this is the bucket one.